chocolate chip mint. But we are making the cookies today. We're going to, already in the bowl here, we have our dry ingredients, which is 3 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we already have it all in here in the bowl. We're going to whisk it all together. So now we're going to add our wet ingredients. We have in the bowl here, we have the butter, which needs room temperature butter, needs to be melted. Then you're going to add in the brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of sugar.
White sugar.
White sugar. We're going to add in 2 eggs.
That got a little messy.
Add the 2 eggs. Be careful, don't spill it. And we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to just eyeball it there. We're going to eyeball it. Alright, that's good. And now we need to mix it all together. We're not adding those just yet. Then mix this all together. Mix it up. You can use a regular mix, or if you want to mix it. So it gets nice and smooth. No more lumps. Want to be nice and creamy. When you get done with it. And so then we got to add in the dry ingredients, which is the flour and the rest of the dry ingredients. So Carla's going to add it slowly while I keep doing this. A little bit at a time. We're going to get it in there. A little bit at a time. A little bit more. A little bit more. We don't want to lose that. Keep it in the bowl. Keep it in the bowl. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Keep adding. Keep adding. Don't worry about it. Keep adding. Keep the lid on it. We don't need that. Keep adding. And we want to get our rubber spatula so we make sure all the flour isn't draining all the ingredients. We want to make sure it's all mixed together, mixed very well. Okay. So keep on going. Now get some more flour in there. Alright, we're getting it all in there, you guys. It's getting mixed pretty good. Turn it over here. Dump it in there. Okay, there we go. Now we make sure we get all the flour in there. We want to mix it all up. Make sure your flour is all the way mixed into your dough. And when you get done, you want to cover it. You can use some saran wrap, or you can use a bowl cover, kind of like this. You put it on the bowl like that, and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes before you add your M&Ms. And when you come back, we'll put the M&Ms in, and then we'll get them into the oven. Okay, we're back. We just finished up mixing everything into the bowl. We're going to add in our M&Ms and our chocolate chips into the bowl. It looks pretty good there, peep guys. Look at that. Check that out. Nice and gooey. And we're going to add in our M&Ms. I'm going to pour M&Ms in. We added 1/2 cup of M&Ms, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips. And you got to mix them together good. Try to get a good mixture of them in here. Then once you mix it all up, we're going to scoop them onto the baking paint, the baking paint sheet here, and then we'll come back and show you guys how to scoop them onto the baking sheet. Okay, we're back. All of our dough is mixed together with our M&Ms and our chocolate chips. If you want to, you can add more chocolate chips and more M&Ms if you like. It's your choice. Still be the same, but you don't want to get too crazy. You take this scooper, scoop it in. You want to get nice and big cookies.
Yep, there we go. It's like ice cream.
Set them about 2 inches apart.
Like ice cream.
We're just gonna put a few on here right now, and we'll bake some more later. We'll make sure they're all separated pretty good. And we'll give Kylo the honor of scooping the last one onto the pan. Okay, here you go. Take a scoop on.
The honor.
The honor of scooping the last one. There you go. Scoop it in there.
And
I
then
think you got enough, but it's close, it's good enough, close enough. All right, scoot it over some so it's over here. See, it's close enough There we go. All right, you guys, we come back. We're gonna have these things baked, and while he's eating the scooper, we're gonna clean it off and let his mouth on the scoop. But anyway, we're gonna come back and show you guys our finished product. You put them in the oven, 360, for about 10 to 12 minutes until you feel like they're pretty much soft and done.
Always lick it.
And then we'll
taste test.
And they'll be pretty good, and we'll be back. All right,
Done.
Okay, they're done. Cookies are out the oven. Earlier we had scooped a bigger scoop. It was too big for my little pan, so we did them over. You want to scoop maybe a tablespoon of each of the batter and put them, on your pan and separate them a little bit so that But you want to do a little less scoop. You got a bigger baking sheet. You can make bigger cookies, but we need to, we don't have a really big one, so the cookies we made were a little too big, so we got the small one. So we go now. All I'm gonna do is taste test, and he'll let you know what he thinks. He's supposed to wait to taste, but okay, he taste tested already. Okay, what you think? I mean, you gonna tell us what you think?
Good.
Okay, we getting thumbs up. Okay, what else you gotta say for him, Carlo?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, on your face. All right, that's we done with today, y'all people. We see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.